You wanna date someone. For that, you need to go to the aplicación de citas. That's your dating app. Aplicación de citas. You start scrolling down, you find someone that you actually find interesting, and then you want to ask them to go out. Let's say you're called John, you're gonna be like, hola, me llamo John. Maybe you want to ask her if she wants to go drink something with you. ¿Quieres ir a tomar algo? Do you want to go drink something? ¿Quieres ir a tomar algo? Or you want to ask if they want to go out with you. It would be, ¿quieres salir conmigo? ¿Quieres salir conmigo? So she might be interested. She's going to be like, sí, claro. ¿Cuándo? Like when? And then you say, esta noche, like this evening. And she's like, oh, no puedo. I can't. Okay, so you want to try another day. So you say, ¿qué tal mañana? ¿Qué tal mañana? What about tomorrow? Tomorrow evening. Mañana por la noche. Mañana por la noche. She's going to be like, mañana estoy libre. Tomorrow I'm free. Mañana estoy libre. Vamos. Tomorrow I'm free. Let's go. Alright? Try to meet up in a public place and just do your research to see if at your destination it is safe to use this app. Alright, so you agree to meet up in a bar. Nos encontramos en un bar. We're gonna meet up in a bar. Okay? Nos encontramos en un bar a las 8. We're gonna meet in a bar at 8 p.m. You arrive to the bar, you find her on the table, and then you go and you say, hola, hi, soy John. Hola, soy John. She's like, hola John, bienvenido. Hi John, welcome. Siéntate, sit down. All right. So you see it, and then you need to start a little conversation. You want to start by asking where she's from, maybe. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? And maybe she's Mexican. She's going to be like, soy de México. Soy de México. You want to know from what city? ¿De qué ciudad? Soy de Guadalajara. Soy de Guadalajara. Maybe she's from Guadalajara. All right? You're going to be like, oh, interesante. Interesante. Like, that's interesting. Maybe you want to say that you've been to Guadalajara, that you know Guadalajara. Oh, conozco Guadalajara. Conozco Guadalajara. She's going to be impressed. Like, oh, ¿de verdad? Like, really? ¿De verdad? You're going to be like, sí, es linda la ciudad. Es linda la ciudad. The city is beautiful. Now maybe you want to know what she does, like for a living, what's her occupation. You can say, ¿en qué trabajas? And she's a teacher. Soy profesora. Soy profesora. Oh, interesante. Interesante. Interesting. ¿Dónde enseñas? ¿Dónde enseñas? Where do you teach? Enseño en la escuela secundaria. Now she may ask you what you do. Okay? ¿Qué haces? That's another way to ask. ¿Qué haces? What do you do? You can say, yo soy abogado. Yo soy abogado. Like, I'm a lawyer. So you got along well. Maybe you want to order some drinks. So you're going to call the waiter. Mesero, mesero. So you call the waiter. It's going to come. It's going to be like, ¿qué desean tomar? ¿Qué desean tomar? What do you wish to drink? What do you want to drink? And then you're going to ask her first. ¿Qué quieres tomar? ¿Qué quieres tomar? Maybe she wants a coffee. Quiero un café. Quiero un café. The waiter is going to be like, ¿solo eso? ¿Only that? Sí. Solo quiero un café. Yes, I only want a coffee. And then they ask you, ¿y usted? They're going to treat you of usted because they don't know you and it's the waiter talking to you. So, ¿y usted? Going to be like, yo quiero una cerveza, por favor. I want a beer, please. Now you want to know more about the marital status of this person because you never know. So you want to ask her, ¿estás soltera? ¿Estás soltera? Like, are you single? She's going to be like, sí, estoy soltera. And then she wants to add that maybe she's divorced. Estoy divorciada. Estoy divorciada. Maybe you want to ask about your marital status. You want to say that you're single. You're just single. Yo estoy soltero. Estoy soltero. Maybe you want to ask her if she has kids. ¿Tienes hijos? ¿Tienes hijos? Do you have kids? Maybe she doesn't have kids. So she's going to be like, no. No tengo hijos. No, I don't have kids. All right? Now you chat for a little longer. Then she has to go. She's going to be like, me tengo que ir. I have to go. Me tengo que ir. I have to go. But you really like this person. So you want to see if you can see them again. Podemos vernos otro día. Podemos vernos otro día. Can we meet up another time? Can we meet up another day? Podemos vernos otro día. She's gonna be like, sí, claro. Yeah, sure. Or maybe she's not interested. She's gonna be, if you're not interested or she's not interested, you can say, no estoy interesada, if it's a woman, or no estoy interesado, if it's a man. But maybe you don't want to be that cold. At least not here at this moment. You're gonna be like, see, maybe you really like her, you wanna actually see her. So she says, yes, sí, podemos vernos el sábado. Now she's already planning to meet up on Saturday. You're like, great, excelente. So, nos vemos el sábado. And then you continue on, then you meet up again. You wanna tell her that you like her romantically. In which case you say, me gustas. Me gustas. This is way down the road, but maybe you actually develop feelings and you love her. You wanna say, te amo. Te amo. So if you just like her, you say, me gustas. If you find someone that they are nice, but it's just you want to keep it on the friend zone, you don't say, me gustas. You say, me caes bien. Me caes bien. Like, I like you as a person, as a friend. So if you say, me gustas, it's because it's romantic. Me gustas is like, I like you. Te amo is, I love you. All right? So, to ask someone if they want to go out with you, ¿quieres salir conmigo? If you want to ask them if they like you, you can say, te gusto. That's a little funny, but it can work. Hope some of this vocabulary was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more Spanish. See you in the next video. Ciao. Nos vemos.